Let's make a fire-breathing dragon. We're going to start off with a little bit of ice in a glass. And we're going to use equal parts of Campari, tequila, and 151 rum. The equal part we're going to be using today is, from this jigger, is a 1 ounce side of 1.5 ounce jigger. We're going to use 1 ounce of tequila. We're going to use 1 ounce of 151. And if that doesn't liven any drink up, I don't know what will. So we have them all together. We're going to go ahead and shake it. Make sure you don't get the secure lock like NASA. You got the rocks glass. We're going to go ahead and gently pour it into the rocks glass. And what we have here is a fire-breathing dragon. Cheers.